Hello, my beauties and my gentlemen. I hope you all are having a wonderful day or evening whenever you are seeing this. I had a bit of a surprise today. For those of you new to my channel, first of all, welcome. My name is Alicia Suzanne, and here on this channel, I do mostly product reviews or makeup subscription reviews. I am a public school teacher, a new one as of this year, so I like to keep things on a budget. But that being said, we had a sort of snow day today. So we were on a 2-hour delay. We're doing remote learning, and the internet was down all across our district, so they put us on a 2-hour delay, but I work from home. Then the software for the students and their emails just weren't working at all, so they called school for the students. So being at home, I was still working, still doing emails. About 1 or 2 p.m., the website with our emails wouldn't even work at all, so I had a bit of a snow day today, which is fun given that it was gorgeous outside. Anywho, I just thought I would share that. So today we are unboxing the Ipsy Glam Plus bag. This is $25 a month. I don't believe I did one last month. I was subscribed. I didn't think it was worth $25. I wasn't very happy with the products. Then they did this change where it was 3 choices. So you get 3 choices of products. They give you a few products to choose from, and then you choose 3 and they choose 2. So I had to sign up. I just signed up so I could have a choice, and then I canceled again just because I wanted to see if it was any better. I do think that this might have some competition with BoxyCharm, only because I think BoxyCharm doesn't have very good customer service and they're hit or miss. But I do think BoxyCharm has better products, and most of the brands here I've never heard of. But anywho, enough of me talking. Let's get into it. So the box, I've already opened it. It looks like that. And they have these new drawstring bags instead of the boxes. So this is kind of cute. I don't know quite what I'll use it for, but you could use it for traveling or something like that. So they have this card that comes. It's Good Vibes Month for September. This month, radiate positivity. From trying a bold new hairstyle to finding the perfect fall lip color. When you embrace the season of change with an I got this attitude, the results are out of sight. So that's cute. But I think this is a total waste of an insert and waste of paper because they don't tell you about the products that you're getting. You have to look at your website or look at the app. It just is talking about like sunscreen plus serum. And it says my picks are valued at $120 or more. So I thought they did a pretty good job. So let's start. They picked for me was this Trazique Color Contour Cheek Stick for the face. It's like this contouring cream. And I've heard of this brand, and I know it was they had some products in BoxyCharm, I think, last month. This is sort of hit or miss. Some people really like this brand, and some people don't really like their products. I am wearing this product right now, the contour. So this is what it looks like, and what some people might really enjoy is, so this is just for looks. This is the product. One person, Ipsy box, I was saying, watching on YouTube, she's like, oh, this is all the product we got. But it's actually not true. You roll it up. I tried it. You roll it up and there's more product. It's not just what comes with. But you can see that I've used it. And then you pull this down and there's a brush. So kind of go like this, and then I just used a regular brush. I don't really love this. I think it's a little too dark for me, and I prefer powders, but I don't hate it. So that was one thing. The next thing, let's see. I think the next thing they picked for me was this Fancy Face Nourishing Oil Cleansers. You can't see that in the light. But I have used it a few times. But it came with this cute little cloth to wash your face with. So it is a face cleanser, and I have been trying to double cleanse. So you use this first on dry skin, and it says use 1 to 2 pumps. Oh, I'm sorry, 2 to 3 pumps. I found myself using more. And then you wet your sponge and wipe it off. So it's a luxurious and practical, I like practical, cleansing oil delivering the nourished, soft, clean skin we all know you deserve. Fancy Face, the brand is Go To, but Fancy Face is the name of the product. Fancy Face lifts makeup, oil, sunscreen, zinc, and grime from the face effortlessly as it replenishes. No residue, synthetics, or magic. Just an astonishing cleanser. And I do like this. I've been wanting an oil cleanser as my first cleanse. So I was happy to receive this product. The next products that I chose was this Triple Shot XX Mascara by Ciate London. I don't know if you can quite see that. I am not wearing this product, but this is what it looks like. I was always happy to get mascara. There's always the hunt for the perfect mascara. And that's what the wand looks like. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look amazing. I will say that I like this type of brush with the natural bristles. I don't like the silicone. So I'm excited to try this. I just have other mascaras that I'm using right now. And then the next thing is, I think this is such a pretty bottle. It's a nail polish by Smith & Colt. I thought it looked more red online, but I actually am quite happy. Honestly, I have nails on, but it's actually this purple. In fact, it kind of pretty much matches my shirt. But I was happy to get a nail polish, and I said on my profile that I wanted oil cleansers, that I wanted mascara, and that I wanted hair masks, that I liked nail polishes. So I'm glad that the choices that they gave me seemed to be based on my profile preferences. And then the last thing I got, which I have already tried some, is this Foxy Bay No Fox Given. I think that's funny. Don't Hate, Hydrate, Replenishing Hair Mask. So I love hair masks. I can never get enough of them. I need moisture in my hair. I have long hair. So I tried, maybe I can't remember if I used 1 or 2 packets, but I thought it's nice. There's, I believe, 8 in here. They come just one use at a time. So I tried that in the bath, and it was pretty well. Worked pretty well. It's probably one of my more favorite hair masks, but again, with mascara, I feel like you're always on the hunt for like the best hair mask. But I feel like you'll get more product out of these single uses. I guess recycling might be a little bit harder because there's 8 single ones instead of 1 bottle you can recycle. But I feel like you're getting use of more products. So that is what was in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I am currently not signed up to get it next month. I'm interested in seeing what options of products they have. I happened to luck out. I liked one product in every category that they had given me a choice of. I just don't think Ipsy has the brands that BoxyCharm has. And even though BoxyCharm can be hit or miss, and their customer service is terrible, let's be honest, I feel like when they're a hit, they're a huge hit, and you get a lot of value, while I just don't recognize any of these brands. I guess I do know this brand from BoxyCharm, and I know Ciate London, but I don't know, this isn't one of my favorite products. I just don't know if this is worth $25 to me. I thought this was a good box. I just don't know if I was a monthly subscriber, if all of the months would be this good. That's just my 2 cents. I'm open to see how the next few months go for this new 3-choice Glam Bag Plus. But for now, I don't think I'll be getting it until I see, just because I just would rather go with the BoxyCharm and try that for a little bit, given that I am a teacher on a budget. So I hope you enjoyed this review and you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.